This is a third project of 50 JavaScript project by Traversy Media. So this is third one. I have successfully completed this, and I just wanted to share this with you, that how I achieved this one. So this was the target of this basically project. When you click on this button, it will rotate to the whole page will rotate, and this navigation bar will pop in, and if you will press the close button, it will close and push everything away to the left, and it will disappear. So this is very interesting. I really enjoyed this. It was basically, I'm not going to go through HTML and CSS. I'm just going to explain a JavaScript in this series. So that's what I'm learning, so that's what I'm teaching you as well. So it was basically very simple. One whole div of which was having all those articles, headlines and images and everything in there. So that's container, kept everything in there. And then there was few open and close icons. This one was open and this one was closed. And then the third important thing was the navigation bar, which is after this main container. So I use the unsplash picture. So this is just placeholder text. You can copy it. So if we see the CSS, that's a bit heavy part of this lesson, but I would recommend that you just download this one and don't spend time on it, because there is nothing special. It's just ordinary CSS. I assume that you all know this one. So this is taking you through CSS. You can download it, or you can pause this video and you can complete this one step by step. So only thing I want to do here in the CSS, where it is circle container, I'm gonna comment that. So this is not active anymore, so which mean that we cannot see the cross button, but that will come back to it after JavaScript. So if we go to the JavaScript, it's very straightforward, nothing special, because all hard work been done in style.css. So first of all, we'll take the open document dot get element by ID, which I showed you the open ID. So that's open, and const close equal document dot get element by ID, because those were the two IDs we're gonna open and close. Say close, and then third will be the whole container, container equal document dot query selector, and that will be our container as I showed you. So that will be there. Yeah, that's perfect. So as I showed you in HTML, this container is basically holding everything, and once that will remove, that will rotate, this our nav bar will appear. Well, so once we will push it back, nav bar will disappear. So that's all we are achieving with the only one ID, which is show nav. So basically what we're doing, we're just adding or deleting this nav bar from this one. So if we manually like add here show dash nav, so if we add it, you can see that it's rotating the whole document, and that one is coming in. Why it is rotating? Because if we go into our style, we can see that show nav, where is that? Show dash nav. So that's the one. Container show nav, that will, okay, that's not the one. That's circle, that one there. So container dot show nav, so that will rotate to -20 degree. So once it's applied, it will rotate. So if we delete it manually, keep an eye on the left corner. So let's save it, and you can see that's gone back. So that's the whole point of it. So that's the only thing we're gonna add here. Add event listener, LISTE. So that will be click. So we just need to add event listener. When someone clicks on it, it will perform this act. So that function will be container dot class list dot add, and that will be show nav, the one ID just I showed you. So let's see, as soon we click on this one, it's just adding the show nav, but only thing is it's not going away. So we just need to dupe that, the same process, and that will be remove, and that will be remove, which is close, basically close and show nav. So once we'll click on this, this will show. So it's not removing. Why not removing? Because the close ID is different. Close ID is applied on a different button, which is the X, and X is not coming in. Why it's not coming in? The as I said earlier in my in the beginning, that we just one thing here, we hide, comment that. Let's add that. So what it's doing, it is once container, which is this one, and it will find if the show nav is applied, and then this circle, basically that circle is sitting on -100, minus top 100, and minus left 100. So it's a complete 100% circle, which is just invisible to us. And if the show nav is applied here, then it will rotate the circle. So let's see. Now the CSS is active here. So let's save it and now click on it, and you can see that it's just sitting there. X is position. I can show you in CSS. So close ID, where is that close? Yeah, so the button close, top 60%, rotate minus top left. So top left there, and -60% is sitting outside. So it's in there, and open left 60%. The one there, and you can see that it's going up and it's coming. So basically they are on their own space, on place. They're just rotating the this class, the one we just added here, this one is just rotating, and we can see now close and open, they are fully functional. So let's close this one, we don't need that anymore. So that's the whole thing in it. It was fun project. I'm gonna add that code onto my GitHub. Just download it and go through all the CSS. You will enjoy it, and if you don't understand anything, give me a shout and I'll let you know how to do it. Thank you so much for watching this video. I'll see you tomorrow in the day 4 projects. Thanks for watching. Bye.